Hi everyone and good morning. It is super early here. I thought I'd get up and make a start on the day. Now, it probably won't be uploaded till later, so it will be later on in the day, but I do still have my dressing gown on. Look. I just thought I would get this done early. So this is today's question for our spot prize giveaway game. And if you're unsure of what's going on, go back to yesterday's, because you can, if you miss yesterday's, you can go back and still play. You just need to answer every day's question, and then all of your answers will get tallied up to see if we've got a winner at the end of the week. So far playing, we have Joanne Sanderson, Thurid, Tracy Dale, My Crafts, Mrs. Stationery and Stuff, Pinky Noble, Seri, Sue Harvey, La Chica Baby One, and It's My Playhouse. But you can join in at any time throughout the week, so you can go back and watch all the videos and answer them. So as you can see, I have the very helpful Naughty Charles with me as usual, my little helper. These are the goodies, which I'm not going to show you them all. And this is actually taffeta. I think I said satin yesterday. He is so tired, aren't you? So he's just decided to collapse in a heap. You are just such a funny boy. You get funnier every day. Does he do? Does a beautiful boy. Right, Mummy is working and you are just wanting fusses. Right, okay. So I have added some more goodies to the pot. Let me just get that right. I hope I am recording still, because yes I am. I couldn't see a timer thingy on it. Oh dear. Right, so these are the goodies. We have this lovely taffeta, this pocket. It's not stuffed at the moment, but it will be. And we have these lovely goodies here and more goodies there. And what I've actually added is some of this lovely cotton trim, which I am using a lot in my projects. A flower applique, a gorgeous gold flower applique, and some lovely little flowers. Excuse my grubby hands. Oh my gosh, I've been doing some inking and it just goes everywhere. So today's question is this. As a child, I had a nickname, okay? So was my nickname as a child Ruby or Rosie? There you go. So that's today's question. All you've got to do is be a subscriber, comment below with one of those answers, and I'm not telling you until the end of the week how many you've got right, so you're just going to have to wait and see. I will be back later on with some more AliExpress hauls. I've just had a nice big bag arrive, as you can see here. Look at my goodies. So I'm going to do a video on that later on with more. It's from my seller where I get this from, and OMG, got some really gorgeous things today. So, oh, you're just collapsing in. Ow, don't bite me. In a heap. So, that's today's question. I look forward to your answers. And like I said, if you're only just catching up on today's video, you can go back and watch yesterday's and answer and see how well you do. It was beautiful. And I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.